Welcome to Choodle Sketches by Sir Choobie, where faith is learned, understood, and deepened in simple ways. Let's get started. We'll journey into one of the most profound and beautiful contributions of St. John Paul II to the modern church, theology of the body. Why does it matter today? In a world grappling with questions about love, identity, the body, and the meaning of human relationships, John Paul II offers us a vision rooted not in confusion, but in truth, beauty, and sacred dignity. Between 1979 and 1984, Pope John Paul II delivered 129 Wednesday audiences that would later be compiled and known as the Theology of the Body. He wasn't just giving talks, he was proposing a new lens to understand the human body, sexuality, and the divine meaning inscribed in our very humanity. John Paul II starts in Genesis, reflecting on man and woman in the beginning. He speaks of original solitude, Adam's experience of being alone, which revealed his uniqueness among creation and his capacity for relationship with God. Then comes original unity, the beautiful complementarity between man and woman. Man becomes the image of God not so much in the moment of solitude as in the moment of communion. And finally, original nakedness, a state before shame, where Adam and Eve saw each other with pure hearts. Their nakedness revealed not lust, but love. The body isn't just a vessel. It's a sacrament, a visible sign of an invisible reality. Through the body, man and woman give themselves to each other in love. This nuptial meaning of the body points to something far greater. The communion of persons means existing in a mutual in a relationship of mutual gift. This human love reflects Christ's love for the church. But sin distorts this vision. After the fall, the heart became clouded by lust, leading to shame and disintegration. Yet Christ doesn't abandon us. He calls us to a redemption of the body and the heart. Through grace, we can reclaim the original vision of love, purity, and dignity. Whether through marriage or celibacy for the kingdom, the human body is a gift meant to express love and total self-giving. Marriage points to the earthly sign, while celibacy anticipates the heavenly reality, where union with God fulfills every longing. John Paul II speaks of the resurrected body, what he calls eschatological man. In the resurrection, our bodies will be glorified, spiritual, and fully united with God. Here, the nuptial meaning of the body reaches its fullness. This doesn't mean love ends. It means it is perfected in divine communion. The theology of the body isn't just theology. It's a way of life. It challenges us to view others with purity, dignity, and reverence. It empowers us to reject the culture of use and embrace a culture of authentic love. Whether you're single, married, or consecrated, your body is a gift meant to express God's eternal plan. Freedom isn't doing whatever we want. It's the capacity to choose what is good, true, and loving. John Paul II emphasizes that authentic freedom is always connected to responsibility. We are called to form our conscience, discipline our desires, and use our freedom to love. Our choices with our bodies either reflect our dignity or obscure it. The call is clear. Use freedom to become a gift of self. The body plays a key role in the sacramental life of the Church. In baptism, the body is washed. In the Eucharist, Christ's body becomes our food. In marriage, spouses become a sign of divine love. Through the sacraments, God makes use of our physical reality to bring about spiritual transformation. The theology of the body isn't just theology, it's a way of life. It challenges us to view others with purity, dignity, and reverence. It empowers us to reject the culture of use and embrace a culture of authentic love. Whether you're single, married, or consecrated, your body is a gift meant to express God's eternal plan. Thank you for watching, and remember, your body reveals your destiny, to love and be loved as God loves. This has been Sir Choobie. See you in our next theological adventure. Stay blessed and keep searching for the truth in love.